All right, so right here I have the Protégé hair clippers. This is made by Gamma Plus, and this is their Protégé hair clippers. It comes with two clippers in here. It has regular clippers and has your trimmer clippers. It has a skeleton drop option for the trimmers right here, the edgers, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to show you what they look like on the side before I open them up. It has the Protégé clipper, modular capabilities, which I'll show you in a second. A click taper control on the side. It says right there. USB mini USB rechargeable right here. Adjustable zero gap blade. 4-hour cordless runtime lithium ion battery. So I'm going to open this up. And inside is the Protégé. Here's the main clipper right here. It has the mini input right here, so to choose. And here's the clipper on this one right here. I'm going to turn this on so you can hear what it sounds like. Just click into place. This is their clipper. Then you have the mini. On this side right here. The trimmer right here. Simply press the button. I'll put this cap back on momentarily after I show you what else is inside. So right here is the hair clipper manual that you can look at. There's a user manual clipper, the Gamma warranty. Here is hair clippers itself. Inside, it's the clippers. These are the guard attachments right here. They have a magnet that keeps it into place. Gonna go ahead and put this right here. See how it clips on like that. Different sizes. Just like that. Just like that. And like this. It's a 1/16. So different sizes you can use. And here are the cords that come with it right here. It has a USB attachment right here. So you have to have a USB plug it in, and it comes with one right here to where you plug this into the USB. And then it plugs into the bottom of this, pause. And you plug that into the wall. All right, but they also have a USB mini that you can also put in right there. So there's two cables for charging them both up. And then here is miniature attachments for the trimmers. Right here. Attach that to it. As well as clipper oil used for oiling the clippers. And on this one it also has a plug in right here for charging. There's a USB mini on the back side of the trimmers right here. There you have it. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.